morning. Here we are hooking up to move to Quartzsite, Arizona. We are here in Congress. This is a gorgeous free area to camp in in Congress, Arizona for 14 days. Beautiful sunsets. It's just awesome. I think we've come here every year for the last 5 years. But there's very few people out here. The weather is perfect. And you just can't beat it. We're in Quartzsite and we decided to get the little rig. We have a special guest coming for Christmas. We cleaned up the desert, and he's about to chunk that TV. It's free, y'all. It's free. So if we want to keep the desert so that we can camp in it for free, this is what we have to do. Thank you to all that do this. We do appreciate it. This is what the desert is supposed to look like. And if we all do our part, it'll stay this way. Thank you again. It's very windy today, so I'm filming from inside of the truck. Yep, I'm pulling the little rig, and Bobby's pulling the fifth wheel, and we're on our way to Yuma. Woohoo! Gonna have Thanksgiving with the group. Awesome. Well, we made it to Yuma in no time at all. Those are the Chocolate Mountains right there. We brought the little rig. I pulled it down. And we have a special guest coming for Christmas. So we're going to get it all cleaned up and ready for her. And we have our tent set up out here with our rig. Linda and Carlos. And Kim and Daryl are here with his cousin, Vicky and Bernie. Okay, y'all want to see what we had for Thanksgiving? There's the ribs. Oh, they're so tender. So tender. This is gravy. Let's see what we got here. There's potatoes. There's dressing, and that dressing is delicious. Sweet potato casserole. Of course, you gotta have the cranberry sauce. And these are Red Lobster cheese biscuits. And of course, you got the turkey. It's so good too. It was done on the smoker. And we have deviled eggs and all kinds of pickles and stuff. A fruit salad. Oh, a pecan pie. I made fresh lemonade. It is good. And it's keto. I use stevia. And of course, chips and guacamole. And everybody is sitting out here enjoying Thanksgiving. We all have our Starlink set up. Everybody has a different configuration, but it all works great. We love this thing. Love it. Y'all, we've had a rough couple of months, but we're trying to enjoy the holiday season. I've got my tree up, listening to Christmas music, and here with family and friends. Don't spend Christmas alone. Find your people. Call that sister that you haven't talked to in forever. Even if she's crazy, call her. The brother too. You know, he might be off his rocker, but call and talk to your family or friends that you haven't spoken to in forever. This is the season. Take care of yourself and your loved ones.